In this video, we want to install an amplifier for the car's factory head unit. Since factory head units usually don't have low-level outputs, we use a high-level to low-level converter to make this possible. Let me explain its inputs for you. Connect the plus 12V and remote to the ACC wire, and connect GND to the car body. Then connect channels 1 to 4 to the car stereo speaker outputs. And on the other side, we can see the low-level outputs from channel 1 to channel 4. The Skylor 800 watt Class D amplifier has 4 outputs, each providing 100 RMS power. On the input side, we have the plus 12V constant power, remote, and ground connected to the car body. On the other side, the settings for channels 1 and 2 are completely separate and independent from channels 3 and 4. Alright, let's move on to installing the converter in the car. First, we unscrew the head unit and pull it out slightly. Then we remove the instrument cluster panel to pass the wires through so the head unit can come out. On the back of the head unit, all the necessary wires for installing the converter are available. The ACC wire for positive, the ground wire for GND, and the speaker wires for the high-level input of the converter. After connecting the wires, we place the head unit back in its position and tighten the screws. Now we can easily install the amplifier.